What the business is, YouTube? It's your boy Tequeza Stack. Came to keep it a stack on my channel, man. You know how I rock, man. I'm currently at work. For y'all boys thinking I ain't got no job. Oh shit, that shit off a little bit. The fuck, am I tripping? For y'all boys thinking I ain't got no job, I be at work. You feel what I'm saying? I just don't be doing nothing. So, you know, I really just be kicking it in a hotel room all day, just making sure the shit work in the hotel. This ain't nothing. Turn the light on. Make sure the TV work. Y'all see the TV on. Y'all see my views. Views from the 10th floor. You feel what I'm saying? I'm just going around making sure that the lights is on. Making sure everything just works, you know? I do PM work. This shit ain't nothing. I come over here and play with the thermostat. Make sure the thermostat work. The thermostat works. The blowing cold air. All the outlets work. Make sure that the phone work. The phone works. And that's it, bro. I don't do nothing else at work. I be painting. I gotta go paint the door. But that's about it. That's all I'm doing today, bro. Like I said, I've been watching Bloomberg. I watched Bloomberg. You feel what I'm saying? Let's go ahead, flickety flick. Watch Bloomberg for a couple of hours. You know, just to see what the stock market is doing. But I do hate this job. This job crazy as hell. I made my stock money today, for y'all wondering. I make stock money every day. I ain't worried about no J-O-B. You dig? So, this is just a reminder to you that you can get money anywhere and everywhere. I really came to work late today too, bro. Like, my shift started at 7. I got here at 9. I'm like, forget these folks. If they write me up, they write me up. Oh, well. I overslept. Things happen, bro. Okay, so something like this. You just put that back in. That ain't nothing. That's all I be doing all day. This ain't nothing, bro. Anybody could do this little job. If I could do it, you could do it. And I don't be doing nothing all day. All I do is trade. I'm going to paint this door, and I'm leaving at 3. You know what I'm saying? It's the weekend. I'm probably going to go shopping, have me some fun, kick with my little brother. You know what I'm saying? This is just what a day in the life look like, you know? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tequeza Stack. Came to keep it a stack on my channel, man. I got a fresh cut. If you don't know me, I'm an option trader. I like to use bullish divergence. If you're new to the market, join my group chat. You feel me saying? Only $35 a week. You're going to make your money back. I'm going to show you everything I know. And you're going to be profitable. But on this episode, I'm still here to flex, what I made out the trading market today. You feel what I'm saying? I did walk away with 505 on the day. You don't believe me? There it go, 505. You looking for P&L where it's a P&L 505. I made 505 today, bro. And I'm just so grateful to learn this skill set, bro. Cause everybody always doubts me, bro. Everybody always hoping that I lose. Everybody's always hoping that I just fall, bro, and I don't understand why. You feel what I'm saying? Zoom in, they Burberry on the frames, P. But yeah, bro, everybody's always praying on my downfall. People feel like I should give them this game for free. And it's like, it wasn't free for me, so why should it be free for you, bro? I had to put in 5 years maybe to learn. And like, I just became super profitable maybe like the last 2 years. So I spent 3 years being unprofitable. Think about that, bro. So for me to just come and give you this game is crazy work, you know. I feel like this video, I'm gonna be making it just to quiet the haters, bro. You feel me saying? If you got haters in your corner, get them out your corner, bro. If you got people counting on your downfall, get them out your corner, bro. You know, and everybody always tells me, bro, keep your job, just keep your job, bro. I hate that damn job, bro. I make half my paycheck in 1 day. I think they only pay me like $1,300 every 2 weeks. Like, I'm only doing that just to not be in the streets or whatever like that. But I don't got no reason to be in the streets no more. I day trade options, bro. So like, if anything, I'll probably trade, make some videos, just enjoy life at this moment, bro. Like, cause everybody always got an ideal of when you should. Like, I feel like uncomfortability pushes you. You feel what I'm saying? If you comfortable, you're not gonna get pushed in life, bro. Like, that's just something that I just realized, bro. Like, I'm very uncomfortable and I gotta make a way, bro. And I just hate the fact that people are preying on my downfall every day. And I'm in Atlanta right now. I actually seen some Twitchers, you feel what I'm saying? Little bro was twitching, and it was like, bro, anybody could do this, bro. Then I seen some other guys with a drone. Like, Atlanta is where you come to follow your dreams, bro. You don't come to Atlanta to work no regular job. You come to Atlanta to strive. You come to Atlanta to chase your goals and dreams. So that's what I'm out here doing. I'm out here chasing my goals and my dreams. I just want to be a profitable day trader. You feel me? Saying eat steak. And that's just it, bro. Like, I'm happy right now, bro, and I feel like everybody who's not, it falls off on you, bro, and everybody, hey, bro, let me hold some, bro, you can't hold nothing. You feel what I'm saying? I had to sacrifice, bro. I don't drink, I don't buy J's, I don't eat out like that, I don't club, I don't do a lot of stuff that the regular people think is fun, bro, just for the simple fact I know what to do with my money, bro. I know at any given time the market could spill out a bullish divergent, and I'm going to take it, and I'm going to be profitable, bro, And it doesn't sound exciting to you, but that's very exciting to me, knowing that I could make money from my home or wherever I'm at. And it's just like, why would you hate on me, bro? Like, I ain't did nothing to nobody, bro, And it's just crazy to me, like, people want to hate on me, bro. Like, even my own mom's, G, like, she seen me run through like 10 G's one time and was just like, oh my God, 10 G's. Da, da, da. Like, bro, watch your own plate, bro. Because soon as I make another 10, you're going to be steady asking me for stuff. Like, straight up. And not to say that I ain't going to give it to her, but stop doubting the process, bro. Like, trust me what I got going on, bro. You feel me saying? And even if you don't, I'm going to trust myself in what I got going on every day of the week, Because I know I'm the one that make it shake when nobody can't. You know what I'm saying? I could take 100 and turn it into 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 6, 6 into 8. Just double up, And it's like, I'm not paying for all that stuff that y'all think I'm paying for. I pay my phone bill, pay the little bills I got, and keep my gas in my car. And I be moving along, bro, And it's just like, why y'all want to prey on my downfall? I just could never understood, bro. And I do get that I am arrogant. I'm a little arrogant because I know better, bro. When you know better, you do better, bro. Like, I never forget what my grandma told me. God rest her soul. You feel me saying? She just passed away maybe 2 months ago. And I told her, like, I ain't gonna forget what's going on. I'ma always do my best to give back and teach to the family, bro. But it seemed like my own family got doubts, and it's crazy to me, bro. Like, I'm the man with the plan. How y'all doubting the man with the plan, twin? Like, that's not thorough. Like, you supposed to be thorough at all times. And it just, for the simple fact, I only got one person that I know that, bro, keep going, bro, keep going. I know you know what you're doing, bro, keep going, bro. And they was even telling me, bro, don't quit your job yet, bro. Wait till you make. Why? I'm unhappy, bro. Like, I'm hella unhappy at my job. I'm tired of working around senior citizens, bro. They've been there their whole lives. I don't want to be there my whole life. I don't want to be there that long, honestly. And I'm gonna just thug it out until I got rolled up today too. I ain't gonna tell y'all that. I got rolled up today because I was late like an hour and a half. But I made my money day trading on that hour and a half I was late, bro. So I don't care. It was like, oh, you could do both. Why would I want to do both? I'm stressing myself out trying to work like they want me to be a worker, and like, I'm bossing my own trades, bro. Like, I make more money than my manager on a daily. I make more money than my supervisor on a daily. So, like, why am I stressing myself? My man's told me go get an extra job to make an extra $1,000. Bro, what do I look like trading my time for money when I could trade my money for money? Hello? Like, why would I not trade money for money, bro? You feel me saying? Like, I don't know, bro, but it seemed like everywhere I go, I'm the only person I know that day trade for real, bro. So I feel like day trading was a gift and a curse at the same time, because you no longer look at money different. You no longer club. You no longer trick off excessively on random nothing. You feel me saying? If my money don't make me money, then I'm not spending nothing. You hear me? I'm around here eating off noodles and hot dogs, thugging like I was still in the trap, because I know like this money gonna save me at some point, you know? So it's just, I don't know, like I stopped buying weed, you feel me saying? Like I don't buy weed no more. I kicked a lot of bad habits, bro, you know? So it's like, for me to kick all these bad habits and I'm still getting scrutinized, it's like, bro, you can't please everybody, bro. I realize you can't be a people pleaser. You feel me saying? Like, you just can't do it, bro. It don't do you nothing. So, like, just get on your grind in life. Keep your head low. And don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't do. If it make you happy, go ahead and do it. I think I was my happiest, like I said, bro. Y'all gonna hear me say this a lot. When I was in Orlando, bro. I love Orlando. Like, you can feel the magicalness in the air. Magicalness. That ain't no damn word, but you get what I'm saying. And everybody got an itinerary there. And everybody that come travel there got money, bro. So all you doing is networking. You feel what I'm saying? Having fun, hanging out, hit the liquor store. You feel what I'm saying? Get your little whatever you into and hang out. Go mess with some magical Disney broads, you know? Like, life can't be this hard, bro. And I know inflation is whooping everybody's ass. Bro, trade. That's the only thing I can tell you, bro, is trade, bro. You got to learn how to trade, bro. Like, I got one person that signed up for my link in the past month, maybe two. And, bro, I'm happy with that, bro. I know I'm giving bro value, bro. So that's where I get my happiness at, bro. Like, a lot of things don't make me happy no more. Like, I'm not really materialistic anymore. I used to be super materialistic. I'm not materialistic anymore. You feel me saying? Like, trading really just changed my whole mindset on money. And it's like, I could give you the game, but I won't. But nah, this was just a little after work rant, man, showing y'all boys like anything is possible, bro. You just needed to get some money to be able to get some money. So it is what it is, brother. It is what it is, brother. But I do want to say, like, what type of content y'all want to see on my channel, bro? Because I could tell y'all a story. I could tell y'all how to trade. I could try to sell y'all some. Like, what y'all want to see on this channel, man? You feel me saying? If y'all don't mind me asking, like, I want to get the engagement up on my YouTube channel, bro. I want to make this another stream of income, you know? Like, I know my channel not necessarily monetized or whatever, but you can monetize your own channel. All I ask is y'all rocking with me. Y'all want to learn day trading, bro? Just click the link in my bio one time, bro, and sign up for 1 week, bro. If you don't make your $35 back, bro, blast hate comments all on my channel, bro. Every chance you get, tell them I scammed you, tell them I did whatever, bro. You know, I'm just trying to get the engagement up on my YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to make no like bull crap entertainment videos. Like, I'm not Casanat. I ain't Reggie. I ain't a Duke Dennis. I ain't none of them, bro. You feel me saying? I don't even play video games, jit. Like, I'm all in the real world doing real world things, man. You know, I hit the gym sometimes. You feel me saying? That's about it, just to keep my mind intact. But other than that, I'm boring as hell, bro. I don't even know why I try to make content, bro. It's like I ain't really relating to nobody. Nobody really, you feel what I'm saying, mashing the like button. Nobody really stay to the end of the video. So this question is, should I quit making content, bro? That's the biggest thing. Like, I be thinking about giving up on the content, bro. But in real life, like, it's going well for me. You feel what I'm saying? I just made 505. If I make 500 5 days, that's 2,500. If I do that 4 times, 2,500 times 4, man, that's $10,000 in 1 month just off trading, bro. You know, and it may not seem like a lot to you, but it's a lot to me, starting with how I've grown a small account with the method that I use. I've grown this small account to be able to take $500 days, $600 days, $400 days. So if you just about personal growth, I really want to continue making these YouTube videos, but if I'm not getting the engagement, then I won't. But like I said, if you're about personal growth, tap in, bro. If you're about leveling up, tap in, bro. Like, go buy Jordans with your money, bro. Go buy whatever you want to eat with your money, bro. Like, let me just show you some of the money ways. You know what I'm saying? Psycho Bunny on my shirt, man. You know it. But it's been your boy Tequeza Stack, came to keep it a stack. I'm just venting at this point, bro. You feel what I'm saying? I be having a lot going on. And I feel like nobody could really understand and relate to your boy like that all the time. So I just come to YouTube and just talk it out, bro. You feel me saying? It is what it is.